Hello students, we have to solve one question. It's based on variable mass. The question is a card filled with sand moves on a smooth horizontal surface under the action of constant force. How much? F. Due to a small hole at the bottom, sands leak out at the constant rate kg per second. At time t0, mass is m0 and velocity is 0. We have to find out acceleration as a function of time and velocity as a function of time, right? So acceleration is what? Acceleration directly we can write force divided by mass. And at any time, mass will be what? At any time, mass because it's reducing by kg per second, right? So mass after t time, what will be the mass left? M naught initial mass minus kt, right? Because in 1 second mass is reducing k, so in t second it will reduce kt. So total mass left after t second, how much? After t second it will left how much? M naught minus kt. So acceleration will be force by mass at time t, and this acceleration as a function of time will be force divided by m naught minus kt, right? So this is the answer of first question. Second, we have to find out velocity as a function of time. So velocity we know, acceleration we know, dv by dt, and this is equal to f divided by m naught minus kt, right? If we'll integrate both sides, it will become dv is equal to f divided by m naught minus kt minus kt dt, right? So velocity will go 0 to v and this will go 0 to t. If we'll integrate 1 by m naught minus kt, integration we will get what? F will be common, so here we will get after integration f by minus k ln of m naught minus kt, right? And this will go limit 0 to t, and if we'll integrate dv, it will become v, 0 to v limit also v. Now if we'll solve this, take the limit 0 and t, we will get f by k ln of m naught minus ln of oh sorry, here yeah, ln of m naught minus kt, right? So now further we can write f by k ln of m naught divided by m naught minus kt. This will be the velocity as a function of time, right? I hope you understood this question. Thank you. If you have some doubt, you can write down in comment box. I will try to resolve your doubt in next lecture.